Here, there's reflection there on the window. And then here you polarize this away. So now the windows are darkened out because of the polarizer, right? So this is with the ND8 polarizer. And this is without. You see the reflection in the window? Clicking that back on, and there you go. Gone. So if you use this in a car, for example, when you have reflections from the windshield, from the dashboard or whatever, you can turn those off. Okay, I have never opened this before. I'm not affiliated. This is the company here. Okay. That's what it says on here. Alright. And I'm going to open this for the very first time. And we take a look at this filter set here. So I know they do have, like, companies make filter sets for this now. And they are making like 14 filters in a set, something like that. Oh, that's the very, very first time opening. Here it comes with a little cleaning thing. And you can see here, there's this to avoid scratches on the box. And paper on it. Okay, okay. And then there is this filter set on here. Let's open it. Wow, doesn't open easy. Oh, there we go. So the whole lid comes off. And there it is. Okay. Now, those are ND filters and polarizer, both at once. And we're going to try the ND8. They are super thin. Look at this, very thin. They have magnets on the back. That's how thin they are. Let me see how it flips on. Oh. Okay. It's on there pretty good. And the first thing we want to see is, can this go into park position without a scratch? And the answer is no. So they are size-wise as bad as the original, if you want filter, the original wide angle lens that comes with it. And I don't know the Black Pro mist filter, if that also gets stuck when this thing wants to go in park position. So there it may be better than if you have just an ND8 filter without the polarizer. So let's see what happens if you try to turn this back on. Do you get an error message that it doesn't work? No, you don't. So it's just inconvenient. Alright. Okay, so and then the next thing is how easy is it to turn the polarizer? So let me turn this around again here. So turning the polarizer, you see there is a little marker to see at what angle you have the polarizer. Alright. So that doesn't, so once you adjusted it, it will stay in that position. That's good. Yeah. Okay, so that's how it looks like. And I don't know. Is there much more to say? Or I'm here on zooming. I gotta move the thing here. So that's how it looks like. the side. Right, that's what it is. So it is what it is. It will polarize. It's on there. The only problem I see with them is that they are not staying on when you close this thing up. But then again, so I cannot use this anymore anyway, this case, because I have one of those cameras where the display is broken. If I remove my little bracket here, oh come on, here my bracket, and if I want to close it, you see it doesn't close anymore. It doesn't stay in this position. You know, my angle thing is messed up. That's why I keep this little clip on here to keep it in this horizontal position. And I'm working pretty good with that, you know. I don't move the screen around anymore. At one point I will send it back to DJI to have it replaced, but you know, I want to use the camera now and not wait a long time for a replacement. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this, and I hope I see you in the next video.